Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Best Buy affiliate program for tech product promotions step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Best Buy affiliate program website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load and verify that you are on your affiliate dashboard. Explore the various sections available on your dashboard, such as performance metrics and promotional materials. If you're new to the program, consider familiarizing yourself with the available resources to optimize your promotions. Ensure your account details are correct and up to date for accurate payments. Now you are ready to start promoting Best Buy tech products as an affiliate. Take some time to review the program's guidelines and compliance requirements. Access your affiliate links and banners for easy promotion on your platforms. Monitor your performance regularly to maximize your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.